Hi, my name is Jose Prada and I'm a filmmaker. I am the co-founder of Jrvisuals and we produce documentaries, commercials and branded content videos. We have collaborated with clients such as Ford and Danone, and we were lucky enough to win some international contests like, for example, the Nespresso Talents. I worked as a language teacher for a long time before I decided to change my life and pursue my real passion, telling stories with a camera. Nowadays, social media is part of our daily lives. People scroll through Instagram and pass any video which isn't attractive at first glance. For this reason, if you want a business to stand out, you need videos with original, fresh, and a professional look. With a bit of imagination and taste, you can shoot good content with your own smartphone at almost no cost. The key is to know what you want to sell and to create a good narrative. In this Domestika course, you will learn the fundamentals of commercial filmmaking for social media with your own smartphone. As a final project, you will create a commercial video of a brand or a product of your choice. We'll talk about the evolution of advertising in social media and look at the different aspects of filmmaking. We'll learn about the importance of understanding your client and the brief in order to start the creative process. I'll show you how to create a script and break it down into a shot list. We'll decide the art direction, the wardrobe and the location to create a unique style. We'll also go through the basics of filmmaking, composition and lighting. I'll show you the tools that you will need, talk about some direction aspects, and then we'll grab our phones and shoot the project. Finally, you'll learn about basic editing with splice and how to assemble your work and export it. After finishing this course, you'll be ready to shoot an amazing video to boost any brand in social media channels. You will only need a phone or a camera and a tripod. Get out there and create professional content.